Hi guys, Sammy here. Welcome back. I am super excited because today... Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Because today is the release party and exhibition of the World Street Photography Book number 5, which is organized and curated by Kujaja.com. Kujaja.com is a non-profit organization that runs weekly competitions, and they're publishing photo books every year. And the World Street Photography Book is a yearly sequel, and it represents the very best of the street photography from the past year. So we are almost there, and Sofian here is going to assist me and help me shoot the event, document everything, hopefully make some interviews, and yeah, should be fun.
I'm Sam Rodgers from London, and I've been practicing street photography for a couple of years, triggered by a midlife crisis, and it kind of pulled me out of my midlife crisis. And I came across World Street Photography by chance. I was looking at the websites that were out there to support it, and came across WSP site quite early on, and just loved the idea that there was this global community of photographers who were showing their work from all over the world. It broke me out of my little London rabbit hole that I was stuck in, and got me looking at some amazing work from all around the place. So this is near my home in London, and I'd initially I was so captivated by her playing the piano that I was focusing on her, and then the child wandered into frame, and I loved the look. The sort of not quite being able to figure out what was going on. So I was photographing that, and then the other guy wandered through, and I was so excited. I didn't actually stop and look who the child was until I got home and showed my wife, and actually he's one of our neighbours' children. So I had to ask them if they were okay with me keeping him in the photo and submitting it to the book. But I love finding scenes like this around London, these sort of slightly surreal moments that are hiding in plain sight in front of us.
I am Luigi Lauria. I come from Rome, Italy, and I'm very glad to be here. It's my first time here in Hamburg, and I'm so happy to see so much beautiful people and so much beautiful pictures all around, because usually you cannot see a street photography like this. I mean, every picture is really a language, a style. Everything is different one from each other, and it's so rich.
And a lot of Italian photography.
And a lot of Italian photography. That's a good thing for my country, because it means that we still are artists and poets and. I was walking on Paris with a friend of mine, and I saw this scene behind me, and it was incredible, and I just take a picture. I didn't think about it, so when I see it after, it was very... I allowed for myself all alone for kind of half an hour.
Ciao, mi chiamo Daniele Zarri e I come from Italy, okay? For me it's the third time, la terza volta, and one is this, okay? Shooted near in Rimini, near where I live, and this is just a position, okay? it's a joke. These children are joking, and the idea. Oh, okay.
This is like a head.
Like a head. See, what's the idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
It's a bit difficult because it was scivolare. Scivoli, okay.
Yeah.
Allora, this like a frame.
Okay. This one?
This was in Cervia, exactly where I live. I have a lot of photo in the sea, near the sea, because I live near the sea. Okay. This shooted where I work. Because I go out and I saw this, probably airplane. Okay. My photo is for 80% juxtaposition.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Sorry for my English. You
No
know.
problem, no problem.
It's
international.
so it's funny.
No
It's
problem.
funny. My English. It's funny. My picture. Okay. It's okay. It's a juxtaposition. Funny.
My name is David Shokouhbeen and I'm living in Düsseldorf.
So maybe show us your photo, your award-winning photograph.
So this one was really a surprise to me that it's hanging here next to yours. I took this photo in Vienna. Well, I actually went there. It's I think Maria Theresienplatz. It's a big place in Vienna. And then I noticed like a fire in the bush. This red hair. I was really lucky that the woman has red hair.
So what was she doing? Just laying there?
Sleeping, I guess. Yeah, it was really easy to stand there and to take the photo, because sometimes when you do street photography, you just want to take a photo and maybe then go slowly away. And I think I stood there about 5 minutes maybe.
What other work you see here do you like, or do you have a favorite of this company?
Favorite? This is difficult to say. This one is shot by some guy I know, which I also really like. His name is Christopher Reuter, and it's like not just that the toilet box is standing like this, also the person.
Yeah.
And it's crazy. This one is crazy as well. I love the shadow. And this one. This one also. I mean, what happened here, you know?
Yeah.
What happened? What the fuck happened here?
Mein Name ist Oliver-Parvis Engel, ich komme aus Krefeld, Deutschland. Und ja, ich habe das Foto hier gemacht. Das war auf dem Punkrock-Festival, das größte Punkrock-Festival der Welt in Blackpool. Der Typ hat halt einfach sich das Konzert angeguckt und ich stand hinter dem. Und dann konnte ich das Bild richtig schön komponieren mit dieser Treppe, den Haaren, dem Himmel. Und ja, hier auf der Wand sieht man jetzt leider nicht, dass da noch ein Spruch auf seiner Jacke steht, nämlich Destroy Everything.
Hast du irgendwelche Highlights? Hast du was entdeckt, was du total klasse findest?
Hier, der Jesus vor dem ATM, das ist einfach der Hammer. Ne? Das ist richtig, also das liebe ich, das Bild. Das ist richtig cool. Und das letzte da hinten, ich glaube, der kommt von den Philippinen.
Ja.
Das ist einfach der Hammer. Das ist so absurd. Der eine liegt auf der Straße, das Auto steht quer wie beim Bankraub. Dann läuft, glaube ich, noch der Hund dabei und die Blumenrabatte in der Mitte. Das ist so ein super schönes Dreieck. Alter. Das ist ein Wahnsinnsbild. Ne? Das ist wirklich beneidenswert. Fast wie einer der großen Meister der Street Photography.
For the people who couldn't come, the other photographers who live in another country, what would you say to them? Because this video is also kind of for them.
Come if you can, because it was a really precious thing. It's a really precious thing.
Thank you for giving me such a wonderful evening looking at all of your beautiful photos, and thank you too for letting me be part of your community and being such a great bunch to hang out with online and share photography with.